Hello everybody, I have hit 2350 rating and I'm gonna show you a game on this rating. So as always on the videos I just play native 3 out of a habit. I don't know what is going on. I really don't know, but yeah, let's do it. Let's just play. We are playing against 2400 rated player. No, not scared. D4. So, after I develop pieces, after I have my king safe, I just strike in the center. And, well, it looks like we have very symmetrical position. Here I give queen a4, check. So then I take on c4. We're gonna see what he does first. Okay, then just queen c4. Wait, I need to see if there's no music playing or anything. Cool. So queen c4. And I feel like I'm slightly better right now, because now this pawn is not defended, it is not castled, this pawn is under pressure. Now if I take, this pawn is gonna be under pressure, but maybe I can do something different. Maybe I can play knight e5, but knight e5, just knight e5 castles. Nothing special happens after this. I mean, knight e5 castles and bishop b7, to be honest, or knight e5, bishop e6, queen b5, knight d7, no, nothing here. Nothing here. What about knight g5? Yeah, double attack. I mean, we are attacking the f7 point with the queen and the knight, and the b7 point with the bishop. This looks super good. So really, guys, I would advise you not to move this bishop from c8 too early, especially if you haven't got your pawn on c6, or also if your opponent, if white has bishop on the g2 square, right? Because now it's just not defended and I take on b7. And am I winning a rook? Or it looks like I'm winning. Okay, a piece should look like bishop c6, rook c8. There's no way to defend. If I take here, then rook c8, and I cannot escape with the bishop because the bishop is gonna be pinned. So I just need to take on a8. And now just develop the rest of the pieces. So knight to d2, then I hope he's gonna play h6 to just get rid of my knight on g5. To be honest, I don't want my knight on g5. So if he wastes a tempo on this, then I will be very, very happy. Yeah, I would really love to exchange. That's very good. He played h6, and now I would really love to exchange this bishop for this bishop somehow in the future. Queen a4. A4 is super good square for the queen, always, because you are always threatening queen e8 close to the f7 square. If you give a check, the king is under attack. It needs to go usually somewhere there, and then you take on f7. Another thing that I like about queen a4 is that it just controls the entire, middle of the chessboard. Supports your rook if it's not placed on d1. Anywhere. Queen is super strong here. Okay, now I know what he wants. He wants me to take here, and then bishop h3. attack on the, checkmate threat plus attack on the rook. So let me just play knight to b3, just to move my knight a little bit further into the game, put pressure on the one of the most important squares on the chessboard, open up the d5 for my rook, and open up the bishop. ed, should I take? Do I have any other choice? Takes, bishop h3, rook e1, and then he will want to move away somewhere, knight e5. Okay. I'm gonna play e4 without calculating. I have only 24 seconds, so I just want to play a little bit faster now. Defend the white squares, block the queen. Oh no, he's getting a little bit of initiative here. f3. Bishop e3, even if he can take with the knight, I don't care. I just let him do it. Bishop f2 was not a good idea. Happens all the time on the videos. I'm just throwing away the advantage. People also do. Okay, cool. I won. Yeah, so as you can see, 2350 rating on chess.com is not super high. I'm gonna show you one day how I am 2800 probably. I'm not sure. Maybe I'm just gonna stop playing chess because it will just get boring for me. Let's quickly get the game review. Okay, so 83.9% accuracy. Not super good, at least not for me. And my opponent had a brilliant knight c6. I wouldn't call it a brilliant, but he had an advantage here. Okay, never mind. Cool, we won. Bye.